Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete YouTube profile picture on mobile. The first thing you're going to do is open up your YouTube app, which what I've done over here, and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom. The next thing, you tap on the profile picture at the top, tap on the pencil icon to open it, open up the edit, tap on the picture again, and then you want to delete the picture. So you can decide to put another one if you like. You can decide to put another one. I just prefer to replace it with another one. So you have the option of take a photo or choose from your photos, because it cannot actually be empty. So even if you do remove it, the fact of the matter is that even if you do remove it, you have a placeholder we put there. So anyway, let's press down on it, and then like I said, you have to have a picture there. So I can simply just remove it by adding another picture or adding a blank picture. So let's say I decide to use this one. Tap on save as profile photo. It's as simple as that. You see, it cannot be totally empty. You either use a picture of yours, or another picture will be used, or we can replace the picture, or a placeholder image will be used. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.